Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diva Persdejati, student number A320220173. Today I will explain to you about DSP or Super Priority Destination. What is DSP? DSP is a program launched by the Indonesian Ministry of Tourism and Creative Economy, focused on the development and construction to develop 5 leading tourism destinations with world-class potential. This program is a part of the government effort to increase foreign and domestic tourist visit to Indonesia. 5 super priority destinations include Toba Lake, located at North Sumatra, which is the largest volcanic lake in the world. Second is Borobudur Temple, located at Central Java. It's the largest Buddhist temple in the world. And third is Labuan Bajo, located at East Nusa Tenggara. It was the gateway to Komodo National Park. And fourth is Mandalika, located West Nusa Tenggara. It's a special economic zone with potential for beach tourism, water sport, and a MotoGP circuit. And the last is Likupang, located at North Sulawesi, which is the best underwater destination in Indonesia. But for your information, back in 2015, the government for the first time initiated a tourism development plan which was focused on 10 priority destinations other than Bali. They were Borobudur in Central Java, Mandalika in West Nusa Tenggara, Labuan Bajo in East Nusa Tenggara, Bromo Tengger Semeru in East Java, Kepulauan Seribu in Jakarta, Toba in North Sumatra, Wakatobi in North Sulawesi, Tanjung Lesung in Banten, Morotai in North Maluku, and Tanjung Kelayang in Bangka Belitung Island. But in a limited meeting on 50 October 2015, which discussed tourism development plans, President Jokowi stated that the upward trend of foreign tourists visiting Indonesia must be a momentum to strengthen tourism and bring in more more visitor. According to him, the government needed to focus on the development and revitalization of several selected tourist destinations to strengthen Indonesia tourism. On 6 November the same year, the government issued Cabinet Secretariat Letter number B652 Sexcap Maritim 11/2015, which was mandated tourism development by prioritizing 5 destinations. And do you know, the development of the priority destination is the realization of the National Tourism Development Master Plan 2010 to 2025, regulated in Government Regulation PP number 15 2011. This serves as the foundation of tourism regulation in order to enhance the quality and quantity of destination and to establish a tourism industry which become the driving force of the national economy. Before the pandemic, Indonesia saw an increasing trend of foreign tourists visiting each year from 2010 to 2019. According to the Statistic Indonesia, the number of foreign tourist arrival reached 6,011 million through 2019. It's increased sharply compared to 7 million visits in 2010. However, it was clear that the most foreign tourist visits were centered in Bali. Even the RGMN 2020 to 2024 mentioned that 41% of Indonesia tourism relies on Bali. To conclude the development of the 5 superiority destination other than Bali becomes extremely important. The 5 DSP are expected to create economic growth and equity from the tourism sector all across the nation. And from my opinion itself, the DSP or the super priority destination, it was a good move from the Indonesia government, since we need to raise our total number of destination, which is lead to spread a significant income for our country, because if we just focus to Bali and the most of tourists is also focused on Bali, our country is not really come forward. And I really support the government step for this super priority destination. And yeah, maybe that's all I can tell you. Thanks for watching and see you in the class. Yeah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.